Alright, this is my Harbor Freight toolbox or cart tour. I got a big Craftsman one. I'll do that another day. Just been watching tours on YouTube and stuff, like Snap-on Junkies, Snap-on Tool Reviews, stuff like that. Been liking their videos, so I thought I'd do a couple of mine. Still in high school. Just been collecting these tools since as long as I can remember. Want to get in the automotive field or be like a diesel tech or something like that. My grandpa, he's in the military, worked on jet engines, something like that would be pretty sweet. But anyways, let's get into it. Well, start here. Got 1/4 inch standard snap-on 9/16 to snap-on 3/16, and actually have snap-on deeps to 1/8, but obviously that's a tiny fucking socket and I already lost it, but you know. Got a few SK, kind of like SK, I mean it's alright. Got a lot of old Craftsman in here. I got a few snap-on, I mean just put stuff together. 3/8 standard. I like Carlo, 1/2 inch. Got snap-on 1/2 inch. Got your SK 3/8. I mean, just put stuff together. I mean, got a few Stanley. I mean, just put stuff together. I mean, I'd like to have all snap-on, but I mean, who wouldn't? 1/2 inch standard. Got Craftsman 1/2 inch. Challenger 5/8. I think this is like an Evercraft or something. Just whatever. And got a whole lot of Proto shallow stuff. Really like Proto. I mean, there's an SK, but got a lot of Proto, Challenger, Craftsman. I mean, Proto 1/4, just whatever. I mean, I think it's like NPT 1/16. I think this is like Thornton or something. Yeah, Thornton 1/1/8. Got a Mac Impact 1 inch shallow. For the metric 1/2 inch, just got your Pittsburgh stuff. And, I mean, a few of them I'm using, a few of them it just skips. Kind of shit. I mean, I guess it's Impact, so it doesn't really break. Got your magnets, got your 1/4 inch Torx. Got my right tools. Standard hex set 3/8. Over here, just got a spark plug socket, a few extra hex sockets. I use these on carburetor jets. Works pretty good for that. I guess they meant like welding tip cleaners, but work good for carburetor jets. Got a Proto 36, some universals, some reducers. Got an old Cornwell Focus. Anyways, Cornwell 1/2 inch to 3/8. Got this set from Amazon. It's like $15. It's like the Nico set. Metric hex. It's held up good. Use it quite a bit. 1/4 inch. Got your 3/8. Got a few 1/2 inch, but it works. I guess been skipping over this. My Coast light. It's pretty bright, I guess. Part number on that is, or I guess it's just 625. I guess. I think. Yeah. Got your metric. 20 to 9. I don't have 8/7/6 and 1/2 inch or in 3/8. Don't really think I need it. Got the 1/4 inch one. Few of these socks have been used. Craftsman, Snap-on, just whatever I put together. I mean, I got a few Carlisle and the stuff I use quite a bit. Carlisle stuff, it's good. I like it. Got your 3/8 Pittsburgh Impact sock set, metric. They were pretty good. 1/4 inch. A few Huskies. Got a few Snap-ons. Craftsman. All my Craftsman bought from some old time mechanics, and it's all USA. It's pretty good stuff. Got my Mac 1/2-inch ratchet, big boy. I mean, this thing, I don't know how long it is, but it's pretty big. The video won't do it justice, but it's an older style one. It's not very fine toothed at all. But I guess on something with this fine tooth, it'd probably just break. Got a no name 3/8 flex head, long handle. Got a Cougar Pro ratchet 3/8. I did a pawn shop for $3, I think it was, so you can't go wrong. Use it every day. Harbor Freight 1/2 or 1/4 inch ratchet flex head. Works pretty good. Use it all the time. Got an old Challenger 1/4 inch ratchet. Got a few extensions, 1/2 inch, 3/8, crafting. A few bits, some Sharpie stuff for my impact wrench or impact driver. Over here, just got a few more extensions. Fly bar, lady slipper. That's that drawer. Down here, got Harbor Freight gripper. Got your 1/4 inch or 45-degree bent nose needle nose pliers. Got your just long needle nose. Got new brand Harbor Freight, I think it is. Just needle nose. They were pretty good. No name, cheap needle nose. Craftsman pliers, some Irwins. Got a few dikes. I ordered the Snap-on 4-piece plier set. Hasn't got here yet, but clip tool, Craftsman USA screwdrivers. Got a few Kleins, got a few Huskies, some nut drivers, gas and bit driver. Got exhaust spring puller or brake spring puller or whatever. Some picks. My buddy, he makes these out of like 50 cal bullets. They're called like bullet tools. They're pretty sweet. I think he has a few on eBay, but that, and he gives you a little bit set. Not bad. They're pretty sweet. Got your Craftsman USA wrenches, old stuff. Got a few. I got a Pittsburgh 10mm battery wrench, and then 5/16 battery wrench Napa. My grandpa used to own a Napa, so got a lot of that stuff. Pittsburgh stubbies, standard, metric. Got a few line wrenches. Got 10 or 12 and 10 ratcheting wrenches. Gear wrench set of standard. Over here got, standard set. You got Mac tools. Don't know why you can see that, but yeah, Mac. Got some Proto. All this stuff Proto. Got Proto 3/4, 5/8, 1/2 inch. Got gear wrench, Proto. Whatever. Just some extra sockets or extra wrenches that I use a lot. My Milwaukee bit set. Over here got a few hammers and stuff. Ball peen, rubber mallet. Got a few scrapers. Got my punch and chisel set down there. Some cheap drill bits. Got a 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch Pittsburgh Harbor Freight ratchets. They work. Old Husky breaker bar. This thing's old. It's like USA made. But old. Bigger ball peen. Got my Harbor Freight torque wrench, 1/2 inch. Got my 3/8 impact wrench, 12 volt. I got this at like O'Reilly's or something. Use it all the time. It's like $50, but I want to get the Snap-on CT, like 7 C1 or whatever the 3 or 14 for 3/8 impact wrenches. I want to get that. I got Tecton impact driver. You know, just cheap, but it works. Got an old Black & Decker drill. I use it for like bits and stuff. I got my Mac brake caliper set. Comes with your Torx and your hex. Not a bad set. It's like 70 bucks. I got your Harbor Freight bit set. Everyone's got one of these, I feel like. Got an old Evercraft test light. Gotta get the, what's it called? The power probe. Like that. You know, I don't do too much electrical. Mostly just work on friends' trucks and whatnot, but I got it back for my other drills. Got some Harbor Freight hex T-handles. Got an oil filter cup for my car. Got an arm puller, some picks. Work on a lot of sprinklers. Got an old head that's junk. Just some safety glasses, sanding block, some oil. Snap-on Bluetooth headphones I got. They work pretty good. I got a 2 1/16 inch wrench. Thing's huge, but one of these, I was doing some research on it. It's like 600 bucks for that one wrench. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Inside my house right now though, because my garage isn't AC or cooled, and it is like 110 out, and I don't want to be out there. So in my AC house, but yeah, I'll do a toolbox tour of my big Craftsman toolbox another day, but yeah, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe for more. Just my cart, bought everything myself, so pretty proud of it. I'm still 16, so that's pretty good, I feel like. But thanks for watching.